Hey everyone out there, I'm just going to do a quick pre-flight for you guys. So you want to be following this little paper that I have, or your checklist to do.
Push rod is good. Go right here, check the knob and stroke, check the leading edge of the wing, looks nice and cool. Alright. Check that, check the oil. Check this. Check that has 3 finger strokes there. So it does. Good. Check air filter valve. Off, alternator. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Okay, looks good. 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 Check the fuel looks good. Fuel valve right there, looks good. Open, stall horn right there, it's all good, nice. These parts are all good because it's not made for making a target screw. Got your fuel stroke, leaking right there, right, all good. Run up. Looks all good in there, looks good, hit the push on a little bit, looks good. Everything looking good.
So there's me doing the pre-flight. Hope you enjoyed.